The Great Santa. Children eagerly wait for Christmas because on Christmas night, their favorite Santa visits them, gives them lots of gifts, and shows them the magical world. As the Christmas holidays were going on, Gattu Chinky had heard many stories of Santa from their friends.
Santa comes into my dreams, brings lots of gifts, chocolates and toys. You know, last year Santa came in my dream.
How was he?
He was wearing a red hat, a red color suit and black shoes. He had a long white beard. He had a big bundle on his back, in which he had many gifts, chocolates and magic.
Wow! How interesting! John, did Santa give all of that to you?
Yes, while I was sleeping, a flying Santa came down from the sky and entered through the window in my room and left lots of toys, chocolates and gifts for me. In the morning, when I opened my eyes, I thanked Santa and I took everything he gave me.
John, will Santa come to us too? We also want to meet Santa.
I'm not sure about that, but one of my cousins gave me an idea to call Santa.
Please, John, share that idea with us too.
Then listen carefully. If you want to call Santa, then before sleeping, you have to go to your room with your eyes closed. Do not open your eyes or look at anyone. You have to keep thinking about Santa and invite him. Slowly you will fall asleep. And when you will go to sleep, after 12 o'clock, Santa will come down from the sky and enter your room.
Gattu and Chinky decided that at 12 o'clock they will call Santa to their room on Christmas night. After having dinner, Gattu Chinky started walking towards their room, and while walking they banged their head on the wall.
Gattu, Chinky, what's up with you?
Mom, please, don't talk to us. Our eyes are closed and we just want to see only Santa.
Who told you that you have to walk with your eyes closed to see Santa?
John told us not to see anyone's face. We have to call Santa in our mind with our eyes closed and then go to sleep in our room. Then Santa will come down from the sky after 12 o'clock and will give us a lot of gifts.
Hearing this, both mom and dad started laughing.
These kids, God knows what goes in their mind.
Gattu Chinky started walking again, and again they banged their heads on the wall.
Okay, kids. You keep your eyes closed only. I and your dad will take you to the bed. Otherwise, you will keep hitting the wall all night. And your Santa will come and go also without meeting you.
Then mom and dad grabbed Gattu Chinky's hand and put them on the bed of their room and went back. Gattu Chinky kept calling Santa with their eyes closed, and in no time they fell asleep. It was late in the night, and suddenly the window of the bedroom opened. Wearing a red suit, a red cap, a cute little Santa with a long white beard came down from the sky to Gattu Chinky's room. Merry Christmas, Gattu Chinky! Oh dear, open your eyes! Here is your Santa! I have come to meet you! I have brought a lot of gifts! When Gattu Chinky opened their eyes and saw Santa, they could not believe what they were seeing.
Santa? Santa, you really came? Are we dreaming about this?
No, dear. This is not a dream. See, my bundle is full with lots of gifts. I have lots of chocolates and lots of toys. Ask whatever you want. We will enjoy the whole night. Then what? Gattu Chinky's demands started.
Santa, first you give us lots of chocolates. And yes, give us such chocolates which will not spoil our teeth. Otherwise, seeing our teeth spoiled with chocolates, our parents will scold us.
Santa put his hand in his bag and took out a lot of chocolates and gave that to Gattu and Chinky. seeing the chocolates, Gattu and Chinky were very happy. They started eating chocolates.
Yum! These are really yummy.
Ask, what else do you want?
I want a cute doll and a box of colors. I want a remote-controlled car.
Santa again put his hand in the bundle and took out lots of toys and many more gifts and gave it to Gattu and Chinky. Then Santa took out a lot of colorful balloons and started blowing them. Gattu Chinky also started flying here and there like balloons. Thus Santa had a lot of fun with Gattu and Chinky all night, and then everyone got tired.
Thank you, Santa. Now we are tired. We want to sleep. You also sleep?
Santa was even more tired than Gattu and Chinky, so he quickly fell asleep on the bed, and Gattu Chinky fell asleep clinging to Santa. The next morning, when Gattu and Chinky woke up, they saw Santa was still sleeping. They saw that Santa's long beard had fallen down, and he was looking like Dad. Gattu Chinky shouted loudly.
Dad?
Hearing their screams, Santa, that means Dad, woke up and Mom also came running.
So Dad had dressed up like Santa, and we thought the real Santa had arrived.
Hearing this, their mother laughed and said,
Merry, Merry Christmas, kids. Seeing your excitement for Santa last night, we made a plan. And Dad dressed up as Santa to make you happy.
So kids, did I play Santa well?
Just perfect. We enjoyed a lot. Yes, we did enjoy ourselves a lot.
And me too.
Kids, we don't know whether Santa is real or not. But our parents are the real Santa. They fulfill all our wishes without even asking for it. So always respect them and be happy. Happy Christmas!
Mom, Dad, you are our great Santa. Yes, Mom, Dad, you are our great Santa. Happy Christmas!
Saying this, Gattu Chinky embraced their great Santa, that is their mom and dad.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे हैं तो इन्हें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और सब्सक्राइब करें